In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation Scanner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to set up a new scan, and how to define the criteria so you can quickly surface symbols that match your trading ideas. First, open TradeStation and head to the top menu. Go to View, then choose Trading Apps. That opens the Trading App Launcher, which is like a dashboard of all the built-in tools. From there, click Scanner to open a scanner window. If you're working with multiple workspaces, make sure the new window isn't hidden behind another chart or app. Inside the scanner window, click Add Scan. You can also use the menu path Insert, then Scan if you prefer menus. This brings up the Scan Wizard, which guides you through a simple setup. Start by naming your scan. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, like a combination of the strategy and the market you're targeting. Next, choose the symbol universe. This tells the scanner where to look. You can point it at all stocks, futures, or any other available universe. If you're experimenting or want faster results, begin with a smaller universe. Narrowing your list at this stage helps keep scans efficient and focused on what matters to you. Now define the scan criteria. The rules symbols must meet to appear in your results. In the criteria section, select what you want to scan for. You can use price values, indicators, studies, or fundamentals, depending on your approach. Each rule follows a simple pattern. Pick a field, choose an operator, and then provide the value. For example, you might choose a field like last price, an operator such as greater than, and a value like 20. Or you could use volume with greater than to focus on liquidity, or select an indicator from studies if you're screening for technical conditions. You can add multiple criteria to refine your list. Keep in mind that each additional rule narrows the results, so if you're not getting many symbols, try loosening one or two values. Conversely, if you're getting too many, tighten your thresholds or add another criterion. It often helps to start broad, confirm that your logic makes sense, and then incrementally refine so you always understand why symbols are passing or failing. That's the core workflow. Open trading apps, launch scanner, add a scan, give it a clear name, pick the right symbol universe, and define your criteria by selecting a field, an operator, and a value, adding more rules as needed. With that foundation, you're ready to let the scanner surface exactly the opportunities you want.